Here's a short informational video to show you how easy it is to shortlist candidates in minutes rather than hours. On our homepage, here you can input as many CVs or resumes as you want. You can either add a folder, add files, and then we have the job description panel. You can do anything to your job description, modify or enhance with AI. Results panel, you can opt to focus on shortlist only. You can click on a candidate and see everything about the candidate, whatever analysis we've done, interview focus, recommendations, why recommended. And then the history panel, these are basically where you see your previous runs. So we have a configuration also. You can modify the configurations as you want, maybe use cache or not, which AI you want to use. And then you can start processing a new run. This will take a few minutes and bang, you're done. Those are 30 candidates, and we have a good analysis of one of the candidates here. Remember, the candidates are all scored and ranked from best to weakest, and the PDF report is quite comprehensive. That's how quick you can be doing it.